Most travelers come to Bali for the beach clubs of Seminyak or the monkey forests of Ubud. But if you're looking for the real wild heart of the island, you have to head north. Deep in the Aling-Aling Regency lies a landscape carved by volcanic peaks and hidden rivers. Today, I'm taking you on the ultimate North Bali waterfall route. We're visiting 3 iconic locations that couldn't be more different. The towering majesty of Sekumpul, the ethereal serenity of the Banyumala Twin Falls, and the adrenaline-fueled natural playground of Aling-Aling. Whether you're a photographer chasing the perfect shot or an adventurer ready to cliff jump into crystal-clear pools, this route is the only guide you'll need. Stop 1. Sekumpul Waterfall, the King. Our journey begins with the King of Waterfalls, Sekumpul. Located about an hour from Lovina or 2 hours from Ubud, this isn't just one waterfall. It's a cluster of 7 massive cascades hidden deep in a valley. The hike down is legendary. You'll navigate over 300 steep, often slippery steps. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to reach the base, but the moment you round the final corner, the scale of Sekumpul will leave you speechless. Standing at 80 meters tall, the mist alone is enough to soak you through. I recommend the long trek option here. It includes a local guide, who is now mandatory for safety, and takes you to the nearby Fiji Waterfalls, a triple threat cascade just a short walk away. Now, planning a trip to the north can be tricky since public transport is almost non-existent. To make your life easier, I've put together a list of everything I use to plan these trips. In the description below, you'll find direct links to the best travel companies for booking flights to Bali, the most reliable car rentals and private drivers. Whether you need a rugged scooter for the mountain roads or a guided tour that handles all the entrance fees for you, those links are your best friend. Using them doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps support this channel so I can keep making these guides for you. Now, back to the adventure. Stop 2. Banyumala Twin Waterfalls, the ethereal. From the raw power of Sekumpul, we move to something much more delicate. Welcome to the Banyumala Twin Waterfalls. Tucked away near the village of Wanagiri, Banyumala is often described as a curtain of water. 2 main streams flow down a lush green rock wall into a perfectly circular turquoise swimming pool. The hike here is much shorter and easier than Sekumpul, about 15 to 20 minutes through a tropical garden. It's the perfect place to actually get in the water. The pool is deep enough for a swim, but calm enough to just float and take in the jungle canopy above you. Because it's located in the highlands, the water is refreshingly cold, a perfect reset from the Bali heat. Stop 3. Aling-Aling Waterfall, the playground. Our final stop is for the thrill seekers. Aling-Aling is the main waterfall, standing at 35 meters, and it is considered sacred, so no swimming is allowed at the main fall itself. However, the surrounding smaller falls, Kroya, Kembar, and Puchuk, form a natural water park. At Kroya Waterfall, you can slide down a 5-meter natural rock slide into the water below. If you're feeling brave, you can tackle the cliff jumps, starting at 5 meters, moving to 10, and for the ultimate rush, a 15-meter plunge at Puchuk Waterfall. Safety note, you must hire a local guide here if you plan to jump or slide. They know exactly where the water is deep enough and will ensure you land safely. It's an absolute blast and easily the most fun you can have in the North Bali jungle. North Bali is a place that stays with you long after you leave. From the misty heights of the mountains to the roar of the hidden canyons, it represents the very best of the island of the gods. To help you find these exact spots, I have specifically linked the locations for Sekumpul, Banyumala, and Aling-Aling in the description below, along with all those travel resources mentioned earlier. If this guide helped you plan your next adventure, please give this video a like and share it with your travel partner. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Where should we go next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.